Hey there again, guys. So today is a very popular question I get asked a lot again, relating to minor campaigns. And the question is, how many keywords do you put in a campaign? Now, the simplest answer to this is it depends. So I say it depends because it depends on what product that you're serving ads for. So in my opinion, the fewer keywords that you have, the better. So I say that assuming that you have enough search term volume in whatever you're advertising for. If you do, then if you have too many keywords in there, most likely one or two of them are gonna take most of the impressions. So in order to avoid this, you wanna restrict the number of keywords that you have to about 20 to 30. I won't go above that. So this is it, guys. The fewer the better, in my opinion, in terms of how many keywords in a campaign. Try keeping it between 20 to 30 keywords per campaign, and that should save you a lot of trouble in the future. So, as always, you have any comments, questions to cover, please mention them below and be sure to answer, okay? Talk to you next time.